Go see on the talk for everywhere that matter. Now they grace. Eh? I've been who they call DNA, CNN, all those local champions, dead among the livings. What's it been a problem?
You are dead. Emonubiel are dead.
Take care of themselves. That cannot even construct a simple sentence. Coming to command my own Godfather. God punish all of una.
Punish you. Okay, precious man. Okay, where precious man go there? Wait, who can do Walania? You did what?
Which of una among the presenters who manage, get husband, get happy home like everywhere at home? I mean, which?
If you get happy home, Naomi gets. No matter how I get. You say I don't fit train I don't fit talk to my wife. He carry pikin run, not be he carry pikin run. I dey tell you now. You say person wey never fit go Nigeria. Ask people wey know me. I get paper under 1 year. I go Nigeria 3 times. Before my paper get problem, I go Nigeria almost 6 times. Now me go Nigeria, go do my pikin paper before I come Europe, before I come do DNA for Europe again. Where do you know? You will make big like man so. You know person. No way they toast yourself now that man. You too local for woman. You too local for woman as a woman where you say you be. When I see a from room to room here, no Walekia no. I don't call Papa Wala, I don't call her one day. If it's Asa, me no call her one day. I know they call. If people were near, all of them call me, but I know they call. Those people want feed, whose generation want feed? If you feed your generation, not feed my generation. If Papa Wala they feed your generation, precious man, you know feed my generation. Ah, better be you a pie. Oh, better be you a Zakame. No time again. Achawo da. Achawo no egi. No ga sele polele musia kia. Uwa huagbo menu wo huagbo ni. Wa ro wodo. You know ashamed of yourself. You cannot make sentence. Sentence will kill you. I just told you I go to school. Did I told you I go to school? I tell you I go from the village. I don't deny my ways. Did I told you I go to school?
When they do something as my neighbor has right, but what do they analyze everywhere that matters for social media? Now they crazy.
When I share the video, that's always they say DNA, CNN. You know, say Asha what wanna do for Europe. Who are we no give us a bomb as one corner? A kid like a yaya that grab by a set white of your canal Latia, not the family that will yes, sorry, or one women, no matter it. Or walk better precious mate, or walk money where you are. Oh, Mege, Keru like a yaya out there be set. He get happy home now go fuck another my wife. Man when not get happy home now go the fuck for outside. I want correct you, why I letting you. You say you when they carry back from house to house. They find man when you want fuck. You be better woman, you don't get man for house. As you they talk for this your life video, so you they shout like man when see you when they shout like this, no near you. You're a coward. Achawo down. Woman precious man went to tell the league. When okay, go cut. Awabuwa, Awachawo. Era weta me with be again man agumobo. Achawo kwara. Gawa Achawo no rewebo. Wa doge mo no do gba Achawo webo awu no gi. 100 of una, only me one go faith. 100 of una, only one go faith. I no call Papa Wala one day. Even he fresh when he call me, as at yesterday, when he call me as at yesterday, I no call her one day, I no dial the number. Only person when I call, I be shy you, I say, me put quarter down. Plus, when the woman, Angelina come talk to me for solo, not only 2 of their call. I no carry Papa Wala dial. Say I want dial the number one day. I did not do it. I'm a man of dignity. I don't sell my pride because of money. If you get your money, now your house you get. The time of my father, Igbenejo did there. Igbenejo B airport build all of them. My papa build 6 rooms. Now that's rooms right for trainers. If you not the worship money, I not the person where they worship money, precious man. When I go call and come, do you think I'm a coward? Do you think I'm a static illiterate? I want to do what will make my people too happy. You are a nuisance. Presenting yourself in live video, you talk verbally. You say you be woman. Person like me, as me be illiterate, I don't fit toast you. You are a coward. You will be boo. You will be Goliath. Say that one way, wife carry pikin, or we don't fit trade pikin. You know, yesterday my first son, I cannot come from Nigeria. Now university go for this country. You don't spend money for a pikin we go university instead of take off a wife. Because any woman wey don't do a shower, they not the film they marry one man. Now some of my papa tell me. Any woman wey don't do a shower, they not the marry one man. Now 2 man, 3 9 at the end. You don't see you now. At your age now, you say you be responsible woman, precious Meg. You don't get man for house. Now you drive your husband. Me buy ticket for my family. Mo go start better life for that country. All of them know as Spain be. Spain and Italy know as it be for the whole world. I buy ticket for a reason. I say you see man winning. Like I go, wait till that one come in. Now you they feed them with the day here. Ask people when know me. Now me pay madam money. That's the Papa Wala know. Ask Papa Wala, now me pay that woman madam money. Ask people when I call somebody. Papa Wala know this boy. Papa Wala know this boy when I want to call so. Me call this person, man, you are a coward. You are a nuisance to the community. I'm a warrior. Ebola ko yo mati we mi aye. Ire la fi ano wotapa. Okay. Generu wala na are Madrid we na are Madrid. Owe opono bi emeni. Ome ge no ya anwu na jo pada akoko we a. Waya weto ni ewe gwa emano ene ya so akoli yan. Iso amuyan yo da agbon. Ya no kan ewe ga opalo osu lo igbigbi. No we ati e president Megi. No you work piani. No se polo liku ki agbalo piani. No wodo magua. Ona ati e pogun era biye. Keki bi eno gwa gbe ya o. Ma wa so eni a. Ikama here last fight na wa la. Owo we owo mi ma se di kokomo. Owo mi ma se to kokomo. E mo te ticket no ko ni ya pare ke lori. We ma change a better life. We ga pare so no we ere me plus we ati plan la lunek. No gwa so. Oh, wait, what do I can take off my generation? Not anything. Oh, what one of my setting the ticket to Nigeria making? Urupa and Jowa, I can't really get to know. Uwe chime no there. Udo chime no there. Uwe chime no there. Uwe I can't deport we are in Nigeria. Me man where they were born. Uwe chime no there. Uda agume gwa where. Ina we ata ma where na we. Ime who they were born since then. Una da no me. Uwe ina una wo kame we na so agu we na do gu we gun. E te pe wo we no there. Oh, can the precious place the gune? Ye precious place the mammy na che 1000 buy. O to go me pino bien me. O che 5 years la webo. Ala deport ina mo me la webo. Ina mo me no la webo. Ah, buy precious place. Do you know me? Do you know me, precious man? I want to last take back in me. Precious baby can ru wala me ru wala de. Imagine we come on the we tia. Is that tia? I don't call people because of money. Ah, work by precious baby, you know whatever. I want to know don't feel no kind less here. No say what I saw about CNN. I want to make my people to be joking, make my people to be happy. I don't know how to speak it. I want my people to be happy. I put joke in my profile. Any of you when they speak, let me say let's speak about. I they put joke, make my people they happy. I want when I said it, everyone I go, oh, you go away. And what did I get with National? I have been 6 rooms. And you know, go and bed. I own ye. Everyone I feed you, feed the generator. Or feed you with Donny. Now I get by when no give we are. I don't want you people. I think I can know. Apple was any. You say me not service because now you boys they speak. You say me not service because you now you boys you got to speak so. Because you get to where they smell. Yeah, where General York pa obo boo we are. Even I am boy iye o ato mi na gba magbe iye o weye. Ya de gbe ti we ba. Ini mara gwa no de ni ma. Wenu na we matu ni we ya ko ware. Matu Yati ye me ban we yati me no de wo maka me ko go we no wale my brother. Okay, yati Ebola yati we ban ni go okay. You can't live it because they run your mad. If you know wala they feed you, it cannot feed me. If he has money for himself. Don't repeat that word again. I did not tell you to call me. I said I will call Papa Uwala. I did not say Uwala should call me. Go and watch all my video. The conversation that we make, me with people make when they say they get recording. When they say me the call, I say, Bisugbe call him. Now my right to call Papa Uwala, but I don't call. I say Bisugbe call him. When that one say he get record, so the record when he get, I want me to plan come out. Make the world see what I talk for inside. Because now what I don't like, you know, when you come, when that woman call me, say, Prophet Atiti, Bisugbe want to talk to you. This how this is waiting for outside, so it's not good. When you come, when I call you, not tell me so you go dey record me any conversation wey you do, what we do. When you don't finish, now you tell say record the day with you. I beg, not be record the way me dey do the thing. I want me you come plan. If you be picking with the turtle, anybody when he set recording, you say you record day with anybody when set recording, you know say na he set recording. Wait till go favor and I go talk. Now wait till go favor and I go talk. Now that they not bad person. If you want to do conversation now, we do conversation. Conversation what we do, not to repair Benin people, not to make Benin people settle, not to make everywhere calm. For instance, that conversation, person when he talk, he say now waiting he take the chop. No be he talking for that conversation, they see the talking for outside. That will not be bad thing. But not to correct them. Any person, anything where person they do for life, you know they do and when not to correct them. If you not put on a mind down, we do this thing. Anybody where they misbehave before, where they chop money for life video, where they do anything, now to correct and not be so that they behave. Not be to come play the video, go and take convert, you come to tell the what say, now they say they chop. You are not a good presenter. Because you don't know say you record them, waiting to favor you for throughout this conversation, now you go to talk for SI. So, my people, I beg if Bizugbe may come play the video, come out, make people listen to the video. Forget where anything. Because I know the green me person record me, I know the record person. I know the green me person record me, I know the record person. I dey tell you, I always say I know be presenter. I dey tell you always. As you talk, I see video where you do yesterday. The video where you see yesterday, I see him. Come play the record, you not let her to take. Come and play the recording. Make the world see what I talk for his side. That woman, that woman I don't feel wrong for her tete. I block her. That woman, you know the woman, I don't feel wrong for her tete. Now she can draw me put for you. You know say people tell me as person be. If I don't hear the person, I don't feel conclude. The day when you talk, I said the conversation day with you. I shock. Now that day, I start to find I want to draw body from your body. So, if Bizugbe, I don't curse you. I never curse you. Now only you want to tell me say you curse my pikin and we make settlement. Put. We don't settle. But this record, when it day with you, I want to make a plan to the world. Any bad thing when I talk for inside, make the world see him. So, I tell presenters, any presenter, where you see say you want call me for WhatsApp, I block you. If I want greet you, I greet you. Anytime when I do video, your matter dey for my mind. I go from here and tell you, say my brother, our pikin, our family, God will bless you. Say you be presenter. Maybe you, where we do all of the presenter, where we don't pass together, where we don't talk together. I don't feel leave your phone. I go must block you for inside my phone. I don't see and say no funa. Na not get help. Few na get help. The rest they be destroyer. How to destroy man, how to destroy woman, I the day. I did not talk to you, Precious Meg. Say I cannot make a sentence. I did not tell you I'm a graduate to start with. When I come to this live video, I did not tell you I'm a graduate. I told you I'm illiterate. That graduates, that know the right from the left. Who are you? Who show you boy you say they speak now? Who show you boy you say they speak Precious Meg? When I bring her come out, they listen to the Oyibo way they speak. We saying they speak Oyibo, so when I bring her, saying they speak Oyibo, saying they speak Oyibo.
Enough is enough. My coming back will not be nice. So this is the warning and the message. I've been at people where that the rock up. When.
Precious Meg, I'm telling you, I'm spending 22 years in Europe today, and I achieved something in Europe. I'm spending 22 years in Europe, and I achieved something in Europe. Don't look the way I present myself to public. I want my people to be happy. That's why if I'm doing my live video, I used to put joke. Miss Precious Mary, I bet you cannot write a sentence more than me. I bet you. If you say allow me the buy ticket for me and you, give me the drop note for me and you. You are a coward. You are a nuisance to the community. You are a coward. Chachawo come wait until they leak. I go to pet you if you try me. I go pet you. Go reach your family for us. I did not talk to you. If I say CNN, it's not your business. I want my people to laugh. DNA. If I say CNN, I know how to talk it. I know how to speak it. I know how to talk it the truth. But I want if I'm doing video, I want people, many people are depressed inside the house. I want them to be happy. That's why I put a joke inside. If you define me, Papa Wala, fuck you. Godfather, the day fuck you now. Now, Godfather, the day fuck you now. Godfather, my Godfather, before you know, go. If you define me, fuck you, now you all be that. If you feed your generation, I'm telling the world today, Papa Wala cannot feed my generation. If you get the money, now you have to get money. If you go, I see my yiko. If Benin don't do for inside Benin, my papa built 6 rooms. That's 6 rooms, not for trainers. If you people worship money, I don't worship money. I stand by the truth and set me free. If you say more analyze this matter, before I analyze it for 3 months, we'll see the end. If you don't know me, may you know me. And if you reply me again, I'll come back on and analyze this matter. Waiting we'll see for this matter. We'll see before 3 months whether we'll not see if I analyze this matter. Whether we'll not go all as with the all on bed. Don't try me, oh. Don't try me. If you want me to analyze this, Papa, what that matter, I will analyze this. I will start it again. I will offer my phone. Every day I will begin to analyze it. If you don't know how to talk, better learn how to talk. You see your character, all this one I make my run live now. Your character, presenting yourself in life, you talk anyhow verbally. Usman go see you now. Now to come fuck, he go come out. Now to come, kele wawa, now you go come, you go come out. You are not a responsible woman. Then they work, now they take responsible. Ashawo, they support Ashawo. Ashawo will go for outside. Ashawo, they support her because at the 10 May, they don't tie many of our spirits. They don't dull our spirits. We don't know if they behave as a man again. All those Benin women, some of them for inside, they don't weaken our spirits. They're not active as a man again. Now me they say they talk any woman when una know say your husband drive. Say I don't need you again and which you be. Now also you be. I go carry put for us. The one way there for husband house. I don't feel fucking for a matrimonial room. The one way husband abandon, he go tell me the real truth. I go see us information. The one way husband abandon, fit carry. The one way husband drive. If you're the driver for this domot now, they can't enter his house. Instantly, they plug on. I go, your plug on because your husband don't drive you. Now me can't get you. Now me can't get you. If you people are talking, you should learn how to talk to people. Not people like us. One word of your mouth, I can analyze it to be thousands. So I can't tell you this morning if Papa Wala they feed your generation. I'm saying to the world, Papa Wala cannot feed me and feed my generation. Any work when I dey work is my occupation. It's my living end. I don't worship people that have money. I don't worship them. That's why they say all things cannot be equal. I not call her one day Precious Meg. I not call Papa Wala. The conversation what we do, as we take the for the conversation where a Bizugbe say record the day with her now. Bizugbe not tell me say you want record me when we start the conversation. I will take position people. He say he believe say I will try, I will fit try. If me with a join together, I will try. I don't know say the record me. You will record me. Where will they do conversation? You don't know say they put up for conversation, they put up for recording. Now the side way go favor you, now you go do. Now the side way go favor you, now you go talk, go. But make they come play my home. Make people know. Person when they talk truth, make they come play my home. Make people see ya. If I talk anything bad thing, now then people know say I not be better person. But what I mean the first for person not the record me and not the record person. Now what are they forbid? See that one way wife run relief. What do me do for that woman? What do me do for that woman? Man, where you born for not do one for you. Even though now you born you marry, he not do one for you. And they take my out the pride today, and they take on the pride. We not be man where they look woman money. Oh, what we need, me woman get respect. He go this sexy because me not sexy man. He go this sexy, he go this celebrate for me. Now I be with me and I go they take us handbag, they go anywhere they go. Now me and they look for. Not be saying a woman not see is dead Precious Meg. Women where they call me, if they call, say I don't answer, they go stop by themselves. Women where they call me every day, what would they talk? They talk and go outside, they call me, and don't answer, they go stop by themselves. If you get any woman waiting for a miss, I be one dragon, may come where me I did. I'll talk the words of wisdom for a brain. Before I spend 3 days, 4 days for the area, I feel that one, I feel can now rent hotel for her. Before I spend 3 days, 4 days, me with her the day for morning and evening, I talk words for a head. Maybe before I come out, it go change. One they go church, pastor go preach for now, I go change. Now so me I say be if that man at the trillion, maybe at the trillion, at the play while you ask go take come where I did. If he come, maybe if he come reach us, you now see the changes where he go there for a body. Now we the do one. You are a coward. You come up for live video. No bath. Come on, lay one for. That's why we wife from. We not fit train the wife. Now me buy ticket for them. Now me go drop her for airport too. Now my car take go drop her for airport too. No be we enter taxi go airport. Now me go drop her for airport too. You cannot even sit down and reason what you want to say. Papa Wala will feed your generation. If you feed your generation, I'm saying to the world today, Papa Wala cannot feed my generation. If he has money for himself. And if you only want word for you, now because now Papa Wala you can't insult me, but you are Papa Wala, that's why I'm going to give you now. I'm going to give you now. Anyone want from you today, Precious Meg, or go what Precious Meg. Anyone want for you. If I insult you, I'm going to insult Papa Wala now. You're a coward. You took your learning more than me. Praise my people. Bye.